Who's on the gravy train? Who's getting all that gravy work in their shops? It seems like we very rarely get the gravy work. What do I mean by that? The gravy work is brakes, tires, front end, wheel bearings, axles, today's differentials, stuff that you can do really fast. It's not really that complex, and it pays a lot of labor time. Brakes are probably the most gravy work out there for everybody. It seems like that's the least of what we get to do at my shop. But boy, are we brake experts. If you ever hear the mechanic talk about gravy work, that's what I'm talking about. And I'm sure there's some other techs out there that consider gravy work they don't consider, hold on. There's gravy work out there that they don't like to eat if it's warranty or recall. But if it's cash pay means the customer's paying it. Non-warranty, non-recall. Yeah, that's the gravy they probably don't like. But I'm sure there's some techs out there that like consider timing chains. Now, certain water pumps are gravy work too. But yeah, when you hear a mechanic talk about gravy work, it's the really easy type of auto repairs and maintenance that they do that pays really, really well. I would actually consider snow removal and salting gravy work, but man, am I exhausted. 6 hours of forward, backwards, whipping your neck around, forward, reverse, up, down with the plow trigger. Yeah, so maybe we'll get some gravy work today. Gravy work for me is catalytic converters, exhaust systems, brakes, front end. Consider too much of the other stuff gravy work. Some diagnostics are not gravy work. Which I love doing body work. To me, that's great. Crash repair work, paint, spot repair, paint corrections and stuff like that. That's gravy work to me. I like that stuff. All right, what gravy are you getting yourself in today? Thanks for watching.